Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. Today I am testing the Instensive Serum Foundation from Bobbi Brown. This foundation has 25 skincare ingredients that claim that it plumps and smooths your skin. Now I'm going to be testing this foundation without primer and setting powder. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Let's get started. It's the end of the day, and on the Kathleen color scale, I give this foundation a 3.5. The things I like about this foundation are that it has a radiant finish, an SPF of 30, and it hydrates my skin. However, after a couple of hours, it started to look cakey and separate. And for the $75 price tag, I expect it to last longer and look smooth. You'd have to buy setting powder, primer, and even setting spray to make this foundation work. The skin type I recommend for this foundation is normal, combination, and dry. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.